Hi everyone, this is Nikhil Thakur, student of first year MSc Fruit Science in Scotch Jammu. Before going with this presentation, I would like to thank Dr. Prashant Bakshi, who is currently serving as Associate Professor in the Division of the Fruit Science, for giving me such opportunity to work on this presentation.
The topic of my presentation is biodiversity and conservation of lychee. Contents we will discuss in this presentation are biodiversity, introduction of lychee, origin and distribution, floral biology, cultivars, germplasm resources and conservation, intellectual property rights, geographical indications, agri-export zones, questions. What is biodiversity? Variety or diversity of life forms in an area. Biodiversity increases the stability of an ecosystem and contributes to the health of the biosphere. High biodiversity equal to healthy ecosystem. The term biodiversity was introduced by American biologist Edward Wilson. It represents the totality of genes, species, and ecosystem of a given region. Levels of biodiversity: genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecosystem diversity. Genetic diversity: the genetic variation existing within a species is called genetic diversity. Species diversity: the diversity at the species level is called species diversity. Ecosystem diversity: the diversity at the ecosystem level is called ecosystem diversity. Importance of biodiversity. Food chain: there are enormous living organisms living on Earth and helpful for making a specific food chain which is very useful for balancing and maintaining our ecosystem. Aesthetic value: biodiversity is very useful for aesthetic value of our Earth. Provides varieties of food. Several varieties of food can be obtained from different kind of plants and animals. Provides medicinal resources. Different kind of medicines can be prepared from different kind of plants and animals. Productive value: certain daily products can be obtained from different kind of animals and plants in the form of oil, leather, etc. Taxonomy in lychee. Botanical name: Lychee family: Sapiendaceae. Chromosome number is 2n equal to 30. Origin of lychee is China. Climatic adaptability is subtropical. Type of dichogamy heterostyle. Type of inflorescence penicil. Type of fruit berry. Pollinator is honey bees. Lychee has two species, Lychee canesis and Lychee philippensis. Origin, distribution and history. It is indigenous to southern China. The lychee has been grown in China for over 3000 years. The spread of lychee from China to other parts of the world was slow, probably due to the exacting soil and climatic requirement of the fruit, as well as short lifespan of the seeds. The lychee had reached the West Indies by 1755, Southern Africa in 1869, the Hawaii Islands by 1873, and Florida in 1833. It spread into other countries like Vietnam, Indonesia, southern Japan, Australia, New Zealand, Mauritius, Brazil, etc. In India, lychee reached through Burma. It was first introduced into Bengal about the end of 17th century and spread further into other parts of the India. Area and production of lychee in India and Jammu and Kashmir. In India, the area is of 96,000 hectares with a production of 7,21,000 million tons. In Jammu, area is of 938 hectares with a production of 1964 million tons. Gene pool: most of the cultivars now used originated from Chinese sources and the genetic base of commercial cultivars is relatively narrow. Almost all of these cultivars have arisen as a result of clonal propagation. Maintenance of the germplasm is limited to the field gene banks. Since crop is highly cross-pollinated, sexual propagation is required to maintain the varietal purity. Flowering in lychee. Flower types and anatomy. There are three types of flowers of bearing distinct sexual forms occurring in lychee. They all form on the same pencil and mature at different times over a 2 to 6 week period on most cultivars. Plants that have flowers of both sexes occurring on the same plants are referred to as heterogamous. The ratio of different flower types varies among cultivars and can affect the amount of fruit setting during a season. The three stages of development are as follows: male flowers open and release viable pollens; hermaphrodite female flowers open which set fruits if pollinated; male hermaphrodite flowers open and shed viable pollens.
An hermaphrodite flower is one having both male and female parts in the same flower. Male flowers. Male flowers usually have 7 to 9 stamen filaments connecting to the base. The pollen-bearing anthers are attached to these long filaments. When the pollen is ripe, the anther turn yellow and break open to release the pollen to fertilize the female flowers. Lychee flowers open primarily during the daytime from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Hermaphrodite female flower. In the figure below, you can see fully developed hermaphrodite female flowers with three distinctly differentiated, well-developed female parts: ovary, style, and stigma. The stigmatic surfaces are stickiest and most receptive immediately after they open. Hermaphrodite male flowers. Hermaphrodite male flowers have degenerated pistils with undeveloped ovaries and no stigma on their styles. These cannot form fruits. Variety of lychee in India. In Bihar, cultivars are Shahi, China, Desi, Purbi, Roshantel, Late Vidana, Early Vidana, Tripolia, Swarnarupa. In Uttar Pradesh, Early Large Red, Early Vidana, Late Vidana, Muzaffarpur, Rose-scented, Kalkatia, Gulabi, Pickling Khatti, Dehradun. In West Bengal, Bombay, Elaichi, Early Elaichi, Late China, Desi, Purbi, Muzaffarpur. In Punjab and Haryana, Sahanpur, Dehradun, Muzaffarpur, Late Seedless, Early Seedless, Rose-scented, Kalkatia, Khatti, Gulabi. What is germplasm? Germplasm broadly refers to hereditary material transmitted to the offspring through germ cells. It is also used to describe a collection of genetic resources for an organism. For plants, germplasm may be stored as a seed collection. Germplasm conservation. The germplasm has to be maintained in such a state that there is a minimum risk for its loss. Types of conservation: ex situ conservation, in situ conservation, on-farm conservation. Ex situ conservation: conservation of plants away from their natural habitat. Types of ex situ conservation: gene bank refers to a place or organization where germplasm can be conserved in living state. Gene Bank in India, FRI Dehradun, NBPGR New Delhi. Types of Gene Bank: Number 1. Seed Gene Bank. Number 2. Field Gene Bank. Seed Bank. A seed bank preserves dried seeds by storing them at a very low temperature. A place where germplasm is conserved in form of seed is called seed gene bank. The germplasm of only orthodox seed species can be conserved in seed bank. Field Gene Bank: This is the method of planting plants for the conservation of genes. For this purpose, an ecosystem is created artificially. Through this method, one can compare the differences among plants of different species and can study it in detail. In situ conservation: conservation of plants within their natural habitat. Types of in situ conservation: Number 1. Biosphere reserve. Number 2. National parks. Number 3. On-farm conservation. Biosphere reserves: Biosphere reserves are large areas of biodiversity where flora and fauna are protected. National park: National park may be defined as an area declared by state for the purpose of protecting, propagating, or developing wildlife therein or its natural environment for their scientific, education, or recreational value. On-farm conservation: A form of in situ conservation in the place where the domesticated or cultivated species have developed their distinctive properties. Conservation of germplasm in lychee. Lychee has been under cultivation since long, but most of the commercial cultivars have been selected either in Chinese or Indian conditions, resulting in their adaptation to limited climatic conditions outside which cultivation is not as successful. Cryopreservation: The technique of storage of biological material at -196°C in liquid nitrogen is being used for long-term storage of plant germplasm that can be utilized in future breeding programs. Besides seed bank, in vitro gene banks have also been established in an effort toward germplasm conservation. Intellectual property rights. Intellectual property (IP) refers to creation of the mind such as inventions, literary and artistic works, designs and symbols, names and images used in commerce. Intellectual property rights. Intellectual property rights are legal rights that provides creators protection for original works, inventions, or the appearance of products, artistic works, scientific development, and so on. Copyright: Copyright is a legal term used to describe the rights that creators have over their literary and artistic works. Works covered by copyrights range from books, music, paintings, sculptures and films to computer programs, databases, and technical drawings. Trademarks: Trademark is a sign capable of distinguishing the goods or service of one enterprise from those of other enterprise. Geographical indication: Geographical indications are signs used on goods that have a specific geographical origin and possess qualities. Most commonly, a geographical indication includes the name of place of origin of the goods.
Patent: A patent is an exclusive right granted for an invention. Generally speaking, a patent provides the patent owner with the right to decide how or whether the invention can be used by others. In exchange for the right, the patent owner makes technical information about the invention publicly available in published patent document. Examples of some patents of China on lychee are given below. Plant breeders' rights. Plant breeder rights, also known as plant variety rights, are rights granted to the breeders of a new variety of plant that gives the breeder exclusive control over the propagating materials of a new variety for a number of years. Trade secrets. Trade secrets are IP rights on confidential information which may be sold or licensed. The unauthorized acquisition or use of such secret information in manner of contrary to honest commercial practices by others is regarded as unfair practices and a violation of the Trade Secret Protection. Industrial design. An industrial design constitutes the ornamental or aesthetic aspect of an article. A design may consist of three-dimensional features such as the shape or surface of an article, or of two-dimensional features such as patterns, lines, or color. Geographical indication in lychee. The Agriculture and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority (APEDA) has announced that Assam Tezpur lychee has been given the geographical indication tag, though the lychee name in the GI tag list is there since 2015. The application for GI tagging was made on 28 August 2013 by Northeastern Regional Agriculture Marketing Corporation Limited. Tezpur lychee of Assam has got the geographical indication tag, making this item a proof of their origin in the state and protecting them from production elsewhere. Lychee from Tezpur is known for its excellent quality, pleasant flavor, juicy pulp with attractive red color. Shahi Lychee from Bihar got GI tag in 2018. The Shahi Lychee is a variety of lychee that is grown in Muzaffarpur and has high pulp and is juicier compared to the lychee grown in other parts of the country. Humid condition and alluvial soil having fairly good amount of calcium content in Muzaffarpur, Darbhanga and nearby areas proved ideal for lychee cultivation in Bihar. Agri-export zones. The concept of agri-export zones (AEZ) was introduced in 2001 to take a comprehensive look at a particular produce products located in a contiguous areas for the purpose of developing and sourcing the raw materials, their processing, packaging, leading to final exports. AEZ is spread across 20 states in India. The central government has censored 60 AEZs comprising about 40 agriculture commodities. Agri-export zones of lychee in India: Murshidabad, Malda, Pargana district of West Bengal, Udham Singh Nagar, Dehradun and Nainital districts of Uttarakhand, Muzaffarpur, Samastipur, Hajipur, Vaishali, East and West Champaran, Bhagalpur, Begusarai, Khagarai, Sitamarhi, Saran and Gopalganj district of Bihar. Important MCQs. Question number 1. Lychee is commonly known as. Answer is single-seeded nut. Question number 2. Edible part of lychee is. Answer is fleshy area. Question number 3. Which of the following methods is used for in vitro germplasm conservation? Option A. Cryopreservation. Option B. Cold storage. Option C. Low pressure and low oxygen storage. Option D. All. And the answer is option D. Question number 4. Temperature required for cold storage for germplasm conservation is option A 1 to 9 degrees Celsius, option B 9 to 15 degrees Celsius, option C 15 to 20 degrees Celsius, option D 20 to 30 degrees Celsius, and answer is option D. Question number 5. The preservation while liquid nitrogen is called as. Answer is cryopreservation. Question number 6. What is the temperature of liquid nitrogen? Answer is minus 196 degrees Celsius. Question number 7. Chicken tongue seed formation in lychee is due to option A. Parthenogenesis, option B. Stenospermo carpi, option C. Failure of pollination, option D. Nutrition deficiency, and the answer is option B. Question number 8. Which fruit is known as queen of fruits? Answer is lychee. Question number 9. India's first national park was established in which year? Answer is 1936. Question number 10. How many GI tags has lychee got in India till now? Answer is 2. Shahi lychee from Bihar and Tejpur lychee from Assam. At last, I again want to thank Dr. Prashant Bakshi, whose continuous efforts and guidance helps me to complete this presentation. Thank you.